Hey, Hubba. So, I'm going to show you how to run this solver. So, if you click on Data, the solver tab is right here. If it's not there, go to File, Options, Add-ins, Go. Click on that solver add-in, hit OK. Okay. It'll be under the Data tab. Now, what I've done is I've gone. This is my value for X, and my value for Y, and I'm basing it off of this function here, which is so here's the deal. You get 50 on time machine A and 30 on B, so 50x plus 24y. And then you got each of them, there's 40 hours of time, so 40 times 60 is 2,400 hours. You have to be less than or equal to that. And ditto for machine B. Okay. Now I got rid of some of the rest. There was some extra crap in this one. I just went with those two constraints. So what I did was I typed them in. So there's 50 times x, you see this? And then 24y. And so what I did was I clicked here and I went, oh, equals. So I went x, which is the 3, times this guy here, plus the y times this guy here is 246. Okay. Now, that has to be less than that 2,400 hours. I'm going to write 2,400 right here. And then, of course, it's going to be 30x, 33y. And then when you do that, it's going to be, of course, it's 30 times, 30 or 3 times the 30, right? So it's x times that plus 4 times that, and then less than or equal to 2,100. So then for my profit equation, or my what do we call that? Profit objective function is right here. So 30 or 40x plus 30y. So this is my profit, 240. I want to maximize this. So what you do is you go into data, solver, and so I had to click on this. So I want my objective to be this 240. So I click on that D5. I want it to be a maximum. So then I'm going to do that by changing these two cells here. Okay. And then I went in, I just go add, and I just typed it in. So what I did was I just clicked, for instance, here, less than or equal to here, just like that. Okay. And I just did that for all 4 of these. Boom, boom, boom. And of course, obviously X and Y are both non-negative. Okay. Now, once in a while you run into a problem, you have to use usually I use nonlinear, but that's the default. I've tried evolutionary a time or two as well. And you can also go in and you can constrain in these options, you can constrain it to how many times it'll run the problem. So it'll do things like how many runs it'll do, and it'll keep going. In this case, it'll continue out until you're within that tolerance level, I think. And this one does, one of them does, you can control, oh, this one, yeah, you can actually, you can control the number of iterations if you prefer, or the time. And then here, but this is just the one we're going to use. So, and then okay. And then anyway, here you go. Hit solve. Boom. So right here, you need to do 31 of the x and 35 point whatever of the y. I'll give you a maximum of a maximum, come on, Jay, profit of that number right there, income or revenue or whatever it is we're doing. Okay. Anyway, so I send that to you. I'll send this spreadsheet too so you can look at it.